So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to use bullet chart in Power BI. So the bullet charts serve as a replacement for poorly designed dashboard gauge and meters that you might be using till now. Typically, typically gauge do not show very much information and it requires lot of space on your dashboard. The bullet chart overcomes these flaws by allowing you to split into multiple categories which shows more information in less space. So for this tutorial, I will be working with this product review dataset. It has columns like product name, actual value, target, and then we have three reviews, which is basically poor, satisfactory, and excellent. Let's take an example. Let's take A product. So the actual value for A is 81, the target value is 75. If some person gives rating till 40, then it will be considered as poor. If some person gives rating till 65, then it will be considered as satisfactory, and if 75, then excellent. So let's see how we can use this data set and make a bullet chart out of it. So for that, go back to your dashboard pane, load that particular data set. I have already loaded the data set, as you guys can see. And first of all, it is not an inbuilt visual, so we have to import it. In order to import it, go to visualization pane, click on these three dots, click on get more visual. Now over here, search for bullet chart. The first one, you can click on add and it will get added into your visualization pane. Now double click on this bullet chart so that it will get added into your Power BI report. Now we have several fields for this bullet chart. So first one is category. So I will put product into the category. I will put actual in the value field, target in the target value field, then poor into needs improvement field, then we have excellent, then we have satisfactory in the satisfactory field, and now we'll put excellent in the very good field. So as you guys can see, we have successfully created a bullet chart. Just A, the actual value is 81. So for A, the actual value is 81. The target value is 75. So till yellow, it is a target value. So 70 and it might be 75. Then we have poor, it's 40. So first bar is 40. That is basically for poor. Then 40. Then over here at 65, we, we have a satisfactory thing, and till 75, we have an excellent thing. So in this way, one can make bullet chart in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.